Hey everyone, if you are concerned about privacy and don't want websites tracking your location in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to turn off location access step by step. First, let's begin with Google Chrome on a computer. Open Chrome and click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Settings. On the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Then look for Site Settings and click on it. This is where you can control what websites are allowed to access, including your location. Now scroll down and find the Location section. Click on it. At the top, you will see a toggle that says Sites can ask for your location. To completely disable location tracking, switch this option to Don't allow sites to see your location. Now, new websites will not be able to track your location unless you manually enable it. If you only want to block specific websites, next to any website, click the icon and choose Site Settings. In the Permissions section, change Location to Block. This will stop that site from accessing your location while allowing other sites unrestricted access. On Android, go to Settings, then Location, and turn off location access for Google Chrome. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off location tracking in Google Chrome on both desktop and mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.